Well, we are hearing from different counties tonight who say they're in need of even more resources to help service their communities as the fight against COVID-19 continues. As 2 on Your Side's Liz Lewin reports, rural and suburban areas are being hit especially hard.
Our rural areas, they've been hit hard by COVID.
The medical community is still in serious need from county to county. More bed space, hands on deck, and ambulances. The list of shortages is growing, and while the state has called in FEMA to lend a hand, it's not enough. Take Niagara County, for instance.
We've been fortunate enough that we've had 2 paramedic ambulances here for about 9 days now, helping us supplement across the county with much of this staffing shortages we're seeing due to COVID. Right now, we have them scheduled through the 31st, next Monday. We are going to be working with the New York State Department of Health to see if we can get that extended for another 7 to 10 days as we work through, obviously, through the pandemic.
The more populated the area, the higher the odds of getting access to care, which is why rural areas are calling for more emergency medical technicians and ambulances. The problem is when volunteers are hard to find, emergency services are hard to provide.
Today's day and age with double income families and struggling to make ends meet, it's hard to find time to volunteer and maintain and keep your training as an EMT or a firefighter and then run the calls. Unfortunately, through the pandemic, call volumes have increased exponentially.
The situation is somewhat similar over in Genesee County.
We all end up utilizing all our commercial agencies and then relying on our volunteer agencies to backfill some of those things. We're maintaining ourselves. We need to have more ambulances in the system, but I wouldn't say that we're at a point of needing assistance.
Right now, recruitment is a challenge, especially when it comes to EMTs.
Many of these medical providers are working and have to work overtime or work 2 jobs or 3 jobs in order to make ends meet in their household because of the current pay structure that everyone is under. Those are the things that need to be corrected.
Liz Lewin, Channel 2 News.